Alright guys, welcome to my channel. So today I think I'm just going to do a few swipes for you. I have these, I think they're like 2-inch, maybe 2-inch MDF rounds that I got from a friend. Thank you so much, you know who you are. I've got 4 colors out. I think I can tell you what most of them are. Don't know what all of them are, but we're gonna rock with it. I'm gonna use my white pillow paint because my black's a little thick and I'm painting outside, so you're gonna hear a little background noise, like that's my son's dog barking. She probably needs to go potty, so I'm gonna have to hurry. Okay, so I put my pillow paint down, which is Glitter Premium in satin. I'm going to spin her out, see if that's in the middle. I may need a little more pillow paint. I'm gonna need more pillow paint, sorry. Okay, so let's put a little more on there. Just a little. You know how I am. Alright. Okay, Lolly, hold on, buddy. Alright, so let's try this again. Maybe it just wasn't in the middle, but you don't know I roll. I don't know. Okay, so we're going to spin that right out because it's thickened up a little bit for some reason, but it was really thin. So I'm just going to kind of do this and get that, coat that side. Alright. So, I think I got most of it, not all of it, but I can always do it. There, that's better. Okay, let me wipe my hands off. We're going to throw some colors down. I'm going to play some music, and we're going to rock this.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light. Praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know we don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know we don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight. Makes me feel so good inside. Oh baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light. Praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know we don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know we don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm.
guys, here I'm just, I'm wiping off the bottom. I'm touching up the edges. You know, you got to wipe off the bottom because if you don't, it'll keep pulling your paint off and then it'll mess up your cells and make it all wonky. Now I'm just going to set it up on something and then I will just, I'll just bring you guys down for a close-up. I think it turned out pretty cool. I will be right back. Alright guys, here's this one. I think she turned out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I am just going to bring you guys down and do another one. I think I'll use my black pillow paint. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do another swipe. I'm going to use the same colors. And I'm going to use the black pillow, which is my Color to Go tricorn black, but it's actually put into a PPG Ultra paint. Because they had a deal on it for like $9.
How much different something looks with a black pillow.
I'm
still going to use my white cell activator.
So I've spun it out, and now I'm just going to throw some colors down, and we're going to see what we can come up with, and I will play some music.
With the red.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping. Caught me off my guard, cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, cause you only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Alright guys, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. I think she turned out pretty too. It just shows you how much difference a black pillow and a white pillow are. Alright guys, I love you guys. Have a great day or a great night wherever you are. And I will just see you guys on the next one. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye.